Hello, friends and family. Welcome once again to Ebenezer's Recipes. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I share with you my simple green juice. Let's begin with the ingredients. I have super ripe pineapple. I have organic kale, 2 sticks of celery. I have my cucumber, lime, green apple. I have parsley and organic ginger. We'll go ahead and thoroughly wash all of our fruit and vegetables before we juice everything. Always make sure to wash your fruit and vegetables, guys. And then we'll wash our pineapple, okay? And I'll tell you why I wash my pineapple in a bit. We'll then go ahead and wash the cucumber, celery stick, our Granny Smith apple, and the ginger. I would not be peeling my ginger, so I'll thoroughly wash the ginger to make sure it is well cleaned before juicing. I'll then go ahead and wash half a bunch of parsley. I'm not using the whole bunch for this recipe. And there's my thoroughly washed fruits and vegetables. And now let's begin cutting everything. All right, so my apples is cut, and then we'll go ahead and cut the celery in two. The reason why I cut all of these is because I don't want to mess up my juicer. Yes, you want to make sure to cut everything if you want to. Someone asked me why I wash my pineapple. I wash my pineapple because I use the skin of the pineapple to make hibiscus tea, which I'll be sharing the recipe very soon, guys. And pineapple skin is good for all different types of infections. Okay, so what I do is I package it nicely and put it in my freezer, and then I use whenever I need it. All right, so we'll go ahead and cut up our pineapples, and then we'll be ready to juice and make a delicious green juice, guys. All right, so we'll begin to juice the pineapples because the pineapples are super ripe. So I like it to go first, and then we go ahead and juice everything else. All right, so my pineapple jar is full, so I'll then go ahead and transfer it into my pitcher, and then we continue to juice. I also wanted you guys to see how much juice we get from the greens, especially kale. Have you subscribed yet? If not, please subscribe, like, and comment. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that notification so anytime I upload, you'll be notified. Thank you. When juicing green leaves, always make sure to use a full bunch to juice because there's not that much juice that comes out of the greens. All right, so I'm juicing the parsley and the kale together, and there's not going to be too much juice that will come out of it. It will just be just a little bit. All right, so we're done juicing, and then I'll go ahead and add that also to the first juice. And then this is the pulps, okay, or the waste. And then we'll go ahead and give our juice a mix, and then we are ready to serve. And this is a very good juice to have in the morning. It is good for detox, and my husband loved to have this after his workout in the morning, and this is a great way to start your morning as well. Always drink this juice in an empty stomach, and that's exactly what we do. All right, so drink this maybe 2 or 3 hours before you put any other meal in your tummy. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please like, subscribe, comment, hit that notification so anytime I upload, you'll be notified. God bless you, and please stay safe. Bye-bye.